Hey everyone, if you're trying to install a plugin in Logseq and keep getting a plugin installation failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Logseq plugin installation problems in 2026. First, make sure you're using the latest version of Logseq. Plugin compatibility issues are often resolved through updates, and older versions may not support newer plugins properly. You should also verify that the plugin you're trying to install is still actively maintained and compatible with your current version of Logseq. If the installation fails repeatedly, try installing a different plugin. This helps determine whether the problem affects all plugins or only a specific one. Another helpful step is checking your firewall, antivirus, or security software. Some security tools may block Logseq from downloading or installing plugin files. Make sure your device has enough available storage space. Insufficient disk space can prevent plugin packages from being downloaded and extracted successfully. And that's how to fix Logseq plugin installation failed errors in 2026. In most cases, updating Logseq, checking your connection, verifying plugin compatibility, and ensuring proper permissions will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.